Did you know you might be overpaying for flights without even realizing it? Or that you could skip TSA lines, get free seat upgrades, and even access VIP lounges without spending a dime? Most airlines keep these perks hidden, but if you're over 60, you might be entitled to exclusive discounts, upgrades, and VIP treatment. All you have to do is ask. In this video, we're revealing 12 hidden senior travel benefits airlines try to keep secret. And trust me, number 7 alone could save you hundreds of dollars on your next trip. Let's get into it. Secret number 1. Senior discounts on airline tickets. Here's the one that shocks most travelers. If you're over 65, some airlines offer hidden discounts that can slash your ticket price by up to 50%. Yes, half off. But here's the catch. These fares aren't listed online. You won't find them on any booking site. To get it, you need to call the airline directly and ask, do you have special fares for passengers over 65? This works with airlines like Delta, United, American, and even more so in countries like Mexico and Argentina. In some places, senior programs even offer free domestic flights. All you need is proof of age and the confidence to ask. That $500 ticket, suddenly it's $250, more money for a nicer hotel or a fancy dinner, and possibly another trip entirely. Secret number 2. Skip the security line without paying extra. Nobody likes standing in TSA lines for 40 minutes. Shoes off, bags open, stress through the roof. But what if I told you that if you're over 60, you might not have to wait at all? Many airports in the US, Europe, and Latin America quietly allow seniors to use the priority line. But, and this is key, they won't offer it to you. You have to ask. Walk up to security and say, I'm over 60. Can I use the priority line? In most cases, they'll say yes. In some countries like Mexico and Argentina, it's even a legal right. While others stand waiting, you're already heading to your gate. Shoes on, bags closed, totally relaxed. Secret number 3. Free extra luggage on international flights. This one could save you serious cash. If you're over 60, you might be eligible for 1 extra bag for free on international flights. No joke. Airlines like Lufthansa, British Airways, and Air France sometimes offer this benefit, but they won't advertise it. Why? Because they know everyone would ask. So it's hidden. At check-in, just say, I'm over 60. Do you offer a free extra bag for seniors? If it's part of the airline's internal policy and the agent is cooperative, they'll allow it. That could mean a second suitcase or extra weight, without extra cost, just for knowing the right question to ask. Secret number 4. More comfortable seats at no extra cost. You've seen those spacious emergency row seats, right? Or the front row of economy with all that legroom. What if I told you that if you're over 60, you might be able to sit there without paying more? It's true. Many airline staff are allowed to relocate seniors to more comfortable seats for free if they are available. But again, only if you ask. At check-in, say, I'm over 60. Are there more comfortable seats available at no extra cost? No luck? Try again once you're on the plane. Ask a flight attendant. A simple request could turn a cramped flight into a relaxing one, especially on long-haul trips. Secret number 5. Hidden restaurant discounts at the airport. Airport food is expensive and often underwhelming. But here's a secret. Many airport restaurants offer 10 to 15% discounts to seniors. You won't see a sign. There's no announcement. You just have to ask. When paying, say, do you offer a senior discount? In most cases, they'll nod, apply the discount, and move on. If not, you've lost nothing. But if they do, you just saved a few bucks, maybe enough for dessert or a coffee at the gate. Secret number 6. Free travel insurance through your credit card. Here's a perk almost nobody uses, but absolutely should. If you book your flight with certain premium credit cards, like Visa Infinite, MasterCard Black, or some Platinum cards, you may already have travel insurance for free. This includes medical coverage, trip cancellation, lost luggage, and delays. But here's the key. It's not automatic. You need to call your credit card provider before your trip. Ask them to activate the insurance and send you proof of coverage. One 5-minute call could save you thousands in a worst-case scenario. VIP lounges seem like something reserved for business travelers. Plush seats, free snacks, coffee, private bathrooms. But seniors can sometimes access these lounges for free. It happens more often than you'd think. In airports like Miami, Madrid, Buenos Aires, or Mexico City, seniors have been let in due to long delays, long layovers, or simply their age. All you have to do is ask at check-in or at the gate, "Is there any possibility of accessing the VIP lounge due to my age and the flight wait time?" If there's availability and the staff is understanding, they might offer a courtesy pass. You lose nothing by asking and gain everything in comfort. Boarding is stressful. People crowd the gate. Overhead bins fill up. But seniors often have the right to board early, without any special status. It's just not publicly announced. At the gate, ask, "Do you offer priority boarding for seniors?" If the airline allows it, you'll be added to an earlier boarding group. You'll find your seat calmly, stash your bag, and settle in without the rush. It's one of the simplest ways to reduce stress, if you know to ask. Non-refundable fares sound final, but if you're over 60 and a health issue prevents you from traveling, some airlines will refund you. It's not in the terms, it's not on the website, but it's part of their discretionary policy for senior passengers. You'll need a medical certificate and a formal refund request. Call or contact the airline as soon as you know you can't fly. Explain the situation clearly and provide proof. It's not guaranteed, but many airlines will approve the refund out of flexibility and respect for older travelers. Secret number 10. You can bring liquid medications and syringes. Security rules are strict, especially around liquids and sharp objects. But there's a major exception for seniors with medical needs. You can bring larger quantities of liquid medications and syringes, if they're medically necessary. The key? Bring a prescription or doctor's note. At TSA or other airport security, just present your documentation. They'll allow you to carry what you need stress-free. No hiding, no sneaking, just preparation and paperwork. Secret number 11. Travel with a companion without extra seat fees. Some airlines allow senior passengers to sit next to a travel companion without charging extra. This is especially helpful if you're flying with a caregiver or family member. To get it, you need to request it at check-in, or even better, call ahead. Say, "I'm over 60 and traveling with a companion. Can we sit together without an extra seat fee?" Many airlines will approve the request under their accessibility policies. Comfort and company without extra cost. Secret number 12. Senior cards and government programs. Let's not forget about senior travel cards and programs. In countries like Mexico, INAPAM, or Argentina, PAMI, these cards unlock serious discounts. Not just on flights, but on hotels, buses, trains, restaurants, and even museums. Always carry your senior ID when traveling. And don't be shy. Ask if there are any special rates or partnerships. You could save 20%, 30%, sometimes even 50% just by showing a card. Now you know 12 hidden senior perks that can make your travels cheaper, easier, and a whole lot more comfortable. Which one surprised you the most? Have you used any of these before? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps more travelers discover these tips. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss smart ways to save on your next trip. And check out our next video, 15 free things you must ask for on your next flight. You won't believe what you're missing out on. See you there!